Looking at it, you'd think OPPO released a laptop, remove the keyboard, it becomes an extra large extended screen. Paired with an AI phone, it turns into a digital drawing tablet. Used alone, it's an extra large movie screen. It can smoothly play all major mainstream games at 144 frames. If tablets develop like this, why would you even bring a computer when you go out? This is the newly released flagship large tablet, the OPPO Pad 5 Pro. Also another flagship mini tablet, the OPPO Pad Mini with an 8.8-inch golden size and 2.90mm ultra-narrow bezels. First, the OPPO Pad 5 Pro, 13.2-inch all-metal body, 5.94 thin. It's very large, incredibly thin, with a great look and premium feel. It's a 2-in-1 tablet PC. With its floating keyboard, it looks just like a laptop. I usually skip productivity when reviewing tablets, but its PC-level office experience is really worth a detailed discussion. Especially OPPO's new panoramic free window, which can open 5 small windows simultaneously, like a computer window. It supports arbitrary movement, enlarging or shrinking. Next, there's PC-level file management. After splitting the screen, it supports cross-window file dragging, just like a computer. The latest upgrade enables screen collaboration with a computer, allowing keyboard and mouse sharing. You can directly use it as a second display. The tablet also comes with PC-level WPS, featuring the same interface as a computer, making it easy to pick up and use. For video creators, another major feature is CapCut Pro, perfectly ported to tablets. Shortcuts and the interface are identical to the PC version. It supports 4K 100 frame preview, enabling free editing directly on your tablet. It also integrates with the Apple ecosystem, allowing edited videos to be directly and losslessly transferred to your iPhone. iPhone notifications and incoming calls can all be displayed on the tablet. Plus, the new ColorOS 16 system gives the entire tablet seamless animations, and app switching is incredibly smooth. It also features a powerful 5th Gen Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus chip. Beyond productivity, its entertainment capabilities are maxed out. It supports ultra-high resolution and frame rates. For example, PUBG Mobile runs at 3.4K Ultra-Res and native 144 FPS. Game tests show the new PUBG Mobile's totem area, with around 20 gunfights, performs impressively. To put it simply, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus is indeed very powerful. During most intense gunfights, the frame rate won't drop below 140, generally staying around 142 to 143 FPS, always running at full frame. Plus, with heavy-grade buy-in speakers, even without headphones, the spatial audio is very clear. The tablet has a 13,380 mAh battery, so you won't worry about its battery life for work or entertainment. I recorded a session, the average measured was 143, power consumption around 13 watts, and an hour of gaming dropped the battery by 22%. However, what I like most is its new small tablet, the OPPO Pad Mini. It's 8.8 inches, only 5.39mm thin, truly very slim, and the tablet weighs just about 279 grams, making it incredibly lightweight. The ink purple color, combined with a full metal body, feels delicate to the touch, and has a shimmering texture. No joke, I believe it's currently the aesthetic standard for small tablets. It also features narrower screen bezels and an ultra-high 92.5% screen-to-body ratio. The screen on this device is an OLED iCare soft light display, and combined with a light color mode option in the settings, it can replicate the viewing experience of paper on a color e-ink screen, whether reading, studying, or gaming is visually pleasing and eye protective. Plus, the OPPO Pencil 3 Pro offers 16,000 levels of pressure sensitivity and zero lag writing. It even mimics the rustling sound of writing on a real book, truly giving you the sensation of writing on actual paper. Just tap the AI stylus to bring up his inspiration wheel, which has 4 options. I especially want to mention AI Free Circle, because it's truly convenient. Just circle text, and you can choose to freely extract or translate it. Circle images and text, then drag them to the split screen border to create journal stickers or similar, or you can also select AI image recognition for one-click collection. It's perfect for quickly identifying and remembering things you don't understand. Just draw an abstract illustration, then circle it, and with one click, you can generate professional-style artwork. Even without artistic talent, you can freely create interesting pieces. For performance, it's equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chip and uses a 144Hz high refresh rate paired with Linksy Touch. It's perfect for gaming, and the bigger screen offers an experience far superior to a phone. Overall, if you want to maximize productivity, the OPPO Pad 5 Pro flagship with a bigger screen and stronger performance, serving as both a tablet and a PC, is more suitable. The lightweight, thin OLED new flagship, the OPPO Pad Mini 8.8 inch with its smaller size, is better for those who travel and need light office work, entertainment, or more gaming.